What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. Oh, that's so funny. As I'm trying to do this intro, I see our boy Alfred, which we're gonna meet up right now because we're going to meet, because I got my car back finally, which is why, you know, I wasn't so motivated or into the vlogs or going into car because my car was down for 2.5 weeks because of a blown boost pipe. Got this from Racing Dynamics. It took me a while, so I was pretty bummed out, so I wasn't recording or doing anything other than that commodity car meet. But I got my car back and we're back to the meets. It's Tuesday night. We usually hit up Steer Fresh and I just stumbled upon Alfred, which I was gonna meet up at Oscar's house right now. Hot boy problems, huh? How many times have you filled up the air today, fool?
Twice. In a matter of like 12 hours.
Maybe because you got a negative 14 camera, fool. Oh yeah, this right here is what I miss. Cruising with the boys to the meet. Yes. Oscar always dragging something. Whoa! I see you, boy. If he's gonna go around. Oh my god! We just hit the cement block. Oh man.
It's alright, you don't need that card.
Somewhere alone?
Here you go. Thumbs up.
It's good.
Fucking beat right now, bro.
Yeah? This is actually good.
This was a bring out your tools. Let's fix it right now.
Good.
Who heard a random noise? I guess it's the strut. So this already has half the interior already gone. Working in a meet. Clean wagon. Taking a walk with the boys, see what we can find, and this thing is cracking. Per usual, you see it a little bit of everything. We saw a whole like single bed truck gang pull up. This really nice S2K caught our attention early, so this is what we're gonna check out.
Sick.
Oh. Rear mounted fuel cell. Whew.
Have y'all ever seen Initial D? Big like RX-7. I don't know why I've always loved it.
Is the muscle car lined up?
I don't know what it is. I prefer a leaf wheel. Later, Pope.
That's something different. Look at that color. That's a nice color. Laid out. Ooh. Shout out to our boy Edwin. This one really DIY'd his rear bumper. If you guys saw other videos, this was actually black when I detailed it. Now he painted it himself. Exactly. Just straight repping.
Loyal.
Loyal. He got tired of waiting for shops and he just did it himself. That looks good. That's really good. Some GTR action. This is our boy Julian. Fresh out the shop. Fresh paint job all the way around. Super clean. We have a video of this car before all this actually. I think he had different wheels as well. Super clean. Louvered hood, fenders, new bumpers. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys what we've been working on. Mainly Oscar, what he's been working on from his car after the car meet, but since now that it's daylight, it's a lot better to show you guys. We came over to Commodity. This was in our previous vlog. Got some really good coffee here.
So what's up?
And we got it propped up already. So you guys are familiar with our famous jet tags, our tire pressure gauge. Now Oscar has a whole set dedicated to the Q, which is a front side sticker, enamel pins. These are really good high quality pins. Oh, let me zoom in, but the enamel pin right there, really good high quality for your hats. You know, that's the thing to do right now. And then also 2 styles of air fresheners, front side and the back side. And right now they're available through your IG page.
My IG, just DM me. We're gonna put them on the Courtesy website as well. But for right now, for my merch at least, it's just strictly DM right now. You get it shipped out. You should be getting it within 2 days after I ship it.
And there is combo packages, so if you like one of the air fresheners, you can buy the front and the back at the same time. Front, back, sticker, and pin. So go ahead and slide in his DMs to go ahead and cop those. There they are. Go ahead and leave you guys right here. Once again, if you guys are interested right now, hit up his DMs for that update on our merch. CourtesyLifestyle.com for the rest of the drive safe and stuff like that. Before we take off, we're gonna go ahead and do the shout out to this fool right there. So thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the subscriptions, all that kind of stuff, and the purchase orders.
Don't forget, Commodities gonna have another Cars and Coffee on the 31st. We just found out, so we'll be here as well on the 31st. It's on the Saturday of, so Halloween day.
Oh yeah, exactly, Halloween day. That's when their next Cars and Coffee, and all that's gonna be filled up once again, I assure you, because last time was popping. Thanks again, guys. Have a good one. Laters.